We've got 86,000 plus votes that have been cast by voters, and we had in 2016 350,000 all day during that presidential cycle. Okay, so that's only 4 hours worth of votes in a 13-hour day. So you can do the math on that one. What's going on behind us is the actual ballots are being tabulated. These are a lot of the early ballots that had already gone through the process that I just explained. If you look at some of the pallets right behind me, these big boxes of boxes, and then all the way over there, you will see we've already tabulated well over 700,000 of the early votes that have come in. We've got well over, well, a good chunk over 1 million early votes that are already in our hands and in the process.